let's mini make. To start with, cut an egg box in half and keep the top half. Get rid of the bottom and then just trim if there's an edge like that, just so that it can sit flat on the table. This is going to be the wall that Humpty Dumpty sits on. So near the front of the box, draw a little circle and then cut that out. To make this easy, put a hole in with something sharp. Make sure you get a grown-up to help you with that. And then cut out a circle. There we go. It doesn't have to be neat at all because you're not going to see it. It's just a little hole so that your egg can sit nicely in the top of it, like that. And then we'll get some paint. I've got some nice yellowy sandy coloured paint and just paint that all over the egg box. And then once you've covered most of it, leave it to dry. Now for Humpty, I'm going to start with his stripy trousers. So I've turned the egg upside down, so the fat bit's at the bottom, and I'm just going to draw a line around it there. That will be the top of his trousers. And I'm going to draw him with a nice pair of stripy trousers, and a good way to do this is to sort of draw a rainbow shape going up like that. And you'll see when I paint it, it makes it a lot easier. Then we'll do the same on the other side. So little rainbow shape going up. There we go. I think I'll leave that one like that. Okay, and then I'm going to get a much thinner paintbrush and I'm going to paint the white stripes first. And this is really fun, this bit. So I'm using acrylic paints, but you could just use normal paints and mix a little bit of glue in, and that just makes it stick to the eggshell a bit better and makes the paint nice and shiny. Last blue bit there. Now you can see he's got some lovely stripy trousers now. So we'll let him dry a little bit. So here's a dry egg and a dry wall. I'm just going to put him there and give him a little face. But first of all, I'm going to draw around the top of his trousers with a pen just to make them stand out a little bit more. Do that nice and slowly. And then I'm going to give him a little bow tie. And some eyes. A little smile. There we go. Lovely. So I've got my brown and blue card, and the blue card is going to be his legs. And I'm just going to cut a long strip like that and then bend it back on itself over and over again like this. Keep going. You get a lovely long bendy legs. There we go. And then just leave a bit to stick his feet on at the end. And the same again, the other leg. There we go. Lovely. Two little legs. And then just going to get my white pencil and draw two little ovals like that. They can be his feet. Cut them out. You might want to get a bit of help with the cutting out. glue stick and then just pop that on the end. Glue on the end and then stick the shoe on there. There we go. And then the same on the other one. Stick that on there. Okay, so I've got 2 legs there, so I'll just take Humpty out for a second and then pop the legs in there, and you can just use a bit of glue to stick them. If you find they're a bit long, so these are a tiny bit long, just trim a bit off like that. And then stick that there. So you want his legs to stick out straight for a nice comedy effect like that. I'll just trim that one down to make sure it's the same length. There we go. And then pop the egg on top. And there you have your Humpty Dumpty sitting on a wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. If you've enjoyed creating this mini-make with me, tap here to watch the next episode straight away. There's also lots more exciting learning videos on our Toddler Fun Learning app. Tap here to download it to watch videos on the move. See you soon. Bye!